Infection prevention and control is a key element of health and social care and is vital to the health and well-being of those people who need care and support. It is essential to ensure that people who use health and social care services receive safe and effective care, and it is important that everyone has a clear understanding of their responsibilities in preventing the spread of infection. Infection and infectious diseases in humans are caused when harmful germs, known as pathogens or pathogenic microorganisms, enter the body and grow. These microorganisms are usually a few micrometers in length, so small they can only be seen using a microscope. Infectious diseases, unlike other diseases such as heart disease and diabetes, can spread from person to person. As with all illnesses, prevention is better than cure. This course will help you understand the different types of pathogenic organisms and how they get into the body. You'll also discover agreed ways of working that stop the spread of pathogens, helping you prevent and control infection where you work.